day. We never spoke, just looked the other way, until the alarm cut through the night and pushed us both into the open light. Roof under our feet, city lights below. Suddenly the silence started to go. Your hand on the rail, my breath in the air, like we'd been waiting to meet up there. Fire alarm, and everything changed. Two strangers talking like we'd always been the same. Under the cold sky, hearts beating loud, we said the things we never said out loud. Fire alarm, fire alarm. You laughed at my jokes, I noticed your hands. The way you looked at me, I finally understand. One night on the roof, one honest conversation turned almost never into something we can't abandon. Roof under our feet, city lights below. Suddenly the silence started to go. Your name on my tongue, mine on your lips, like falling forward in two slow slips. Fire alarm,